Good morning, Miss Coleman. How are you?
I'm good.
Wonderful. Now, let me ask you a question. How long ago was it that we did regenerative injections on your shoulder, roughly?
Between 1.5 to 2 years.
Okay. And before you saw me, what was your left shoulder like?
It was like no higher than that.
And what was the pain level on a 1 to 10? 10 is hospitalization.
Well, then it would be 8.
About an 8. Okay. And then we did the injections, and then I did some special soft tissue manipulation on it,
yes.
didn't I? Right. So we did a couple of things.
Yes.
And since we've done that, how has your arm been? On a level of 1 to 10, does it get painful still?
It does in certain movements.
Okay.
But it's not the shoulder so much as other areas around it.
Oh, okay. So so the pain doesn't come back as in the shoulder at all, but it's more in the supporting tissues?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
And that's a stabbing pain type thing when it happens.
Okay. And you're doing your exercises at home?
Yes.
Okay, and those are strengthening rubber band exercises?
Yes.
All right. Good. Because you have to work to maintain it, don't you?
And I was doing in the pool yesterday resistance training.
Yeah, it's warm enough where you can actually get in the bath water in Arizona, right? Which is a swimming pool nowadays.
Yes.
Okay. Could you show everybody how well you can lift your arms up over your head and back down? On a 100% level of 100% improvement, how much improvement would you say you have now as compared to before I worked on you?
I'd say 98. I can hook up my necklace again, which I haven't been able to do for years. Cannot hook up a bra.
Still can't do the bra. I can't
That's
do.
okay.
Yeah. Well, and listen, I want to thank you for trusting us, and you've done everything we've told you to do. You actually made the right decision. You've done everything that we've asked you to do, and you've gotten amazing results. Would you recommend other people to do the same?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it, and I hope you continue to stay healthy.
I will.